Welcome to Two Harbors, Minnesota. It is December of 2013. We just had a massive snowstorm. We had 35 to 40 inches of snow over a 3-day period, the 2nd through the 5th of December. And we're now literally 2 weeks later. And what I want to do is introduce you to a product that I discovered called the Minnesota Snow Razor. It's actually manufactured right in Ely, Minnesota, so it's locally made. It's really quite ingenious, and I want to just show you briefly what it looks like. You can see this happens to be the 24-inch wide model, and here you've got a very thick, almost a canvas-type cloth material that's affixed to the end, and you'll see as I show you how it works that as you move this up your roof, the snow will actually slide and cascade down this. So when it gets to the base, because can't, the snow will go off to either side. So again, it's very, very well built, very quality construction, very well engineered. So with that, let me show you how it works. What I want to do is show you the amount of snow, and you can see as I pan through our backyard, again with that 35 to 40 inches, you can see on our deck, it actually was over the railing, and our railing is 38 inches right at the top. You can see it's still affixed to the trees in the background as well. So again, a tremendous storm. And then what we're going to do, of course, is show you how the Minnesota Roof Razor actually will help and make getting that snow off the roof just that much easier. On this corner of our house, we have approximately 3 feet, 2.5 to 3 feet of drifts. It gets a little bit deeper as you get into the valleys of the roof, but we're going to show you again how the product works and why I think it's so effective at safely and efficiently removing snow. Okay, we're almost set to begin. One thing I wanted to emphasize as well is that when you buy this one, you get 24 feet of aluminum pole. They're each 6 feet in length. I have just 3 of the segments on right here because we've got a little bit shorter reach, and I'm kind of abutting up against our garage. So we're going to use this and see how it works, and then you might see me add that final segment in just a bit. But first, what you've got on the front end, as I turn it upside down, you can see there are rollers on each end of the head. What those do is ride on your shingles so that, again, you're not abrading those shingles or breaking them. So again, it's a well thought out design. Simply you come up over your gutters, and I'm going to come in just a bit, and this is very, very well packed snow. Very dense. You'll see it'll start coming off in cubes, and basically what you'll do, and I'm on snowshoes by the way because I was sinking in earlier, you're going to see these cubes start to come down the unit. And again, they just slide right off. We just keep working our way up. And there they go. And I'm just canting it by hand here just because I'm so close and don't want to catch them like I did there. So you just keep working up the unit. And you'll see they come right off. And now what I'll do is I'll bring it back a little bit closer to you so you can actually see what's happening here, how it comes off. And then you've got the big drifts that do the same. We'll reposition and then continue going up. And it just works so slick. What's nice about this too is it's a safe way to do it because I'm not on the roof and I'm not subject to falling off of the roof in these deep snows, though with the drifts below that probably wouldn't be a huge issue. So I'm just moving over a couple of feet and we'll move this snow off to the side. You can see by the overhang there how dense this snow is. So when I start the third putt, you'll see this part cave, which I'll do right now. So I'll move down just a bit. And there we go. You can see how easily it just lets gravity do that work on that very slick piece of fabric. Now you can just go back up where you were originally and do a little bit of cleanup. And again, just come back and continue moving up the slope. I'll continue with a little bit of the overhang, and then we'll clean off the bigger cascades as they come down. You can see the drifts up at the top are close to 3, and actually in some cases 3.5 feet deep in that valley. And I'll do one final pass. Clean up that edge. And again, that is the Minnesota roof raiser. Marketed out of Ely, Minnesota. The inventor and his wife live there. Again, a wonderful product, and it certainly helped me. Thanks for staying with us.